Hi there, students. To bestow. To bestow is a formal word meaning to present officially, to give, to confer an honour, a title, an award on someone. So the Academy bestowed him with the greatest accolades, and they bestowed an honorary degree on him. Well, normally it's a university that bestows an honorary degree. So especially to give somebody a title, an award, a special status, something like that. The Queen bestowed the title of Duke on him, or the Queen bestowed him with the title of Duke. Okay, so this is to give somebody a special award, to give them a special status, but to do it most normally officially in an official ceremony. You can also use this verb to bestow, meaning to apply, to devote, to give. So he has bestowed a lot of time on this project. He bestows a lot of love on his family and friends. Devotes. I have bestowed a lot of thought to this matter, and I think this is the solution. Okay, if you look bestow up in the dictionaries, you'll find that there are other meanings, like to lay up in store, to put in storage, or just to put. I think there's a quote from James Joyce: he bestowed the money in his pocket. But this usage is very old-fashioned, and I don't think anyone uses it like that today. They also say you can use bestow, meaning to provide with accommodation. They bestowed him a bed for the night, I guess, but again, this is really, really old-fashioned. Okay, bestow. This comes from be, to apply, and stow. To stow is to stack or to store carefully. In the aeroplane, you need to stow your luggage in the overhead container. So notice this word to bestow, it's really formal. I'd probably give it an 8 in formality. Yeah? It just means to give. Don't use bestow in an informal conversation in the pub. You'll sound really weird. Yeah? Give. Yeah? Present. Something like that. So stick to something higher formality, particularly a very formal document or something like that. So, to bestow, to present. The winning team were bestowed with medals. They were presented with medals. Yeah? It's a very formal way of saying the same thing. He was bestowed with honours. Honours were bestowed on him by the Sultan. Okay? So, to give, but giving particularly a title, an award, an honour. Notice as well, bestow is a regular verb. Bestow, bestowed, bestowed. So that bit's easy. So, there you go. Maybe I've bestowed a little bit more of my knowledge onto you. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bestow.